It's recommended to clean your machine daily. Make sure to wear proper protective equipment such as goggles and gloves. Change the freeze-cool changeover switch to 0 and empty the bowls by pushing down on the tap lever. Turn off the main switch and mixer switch and unplug the machine. Remove the tap by detaching the pin from its seat. This will release all other parts. Push the lever dispenser until it makes contact with the tank and pull upwards. Remove the lid and raise the front part of the bowl to release it. Then remove the bowl by pushing and tapping gently on the rear. Next, remove the bowl gasket, mixer, and seal. Clean the lid and evaporators with a mild detergent and a soft cloth or sponge. Now use a 3-stick method to wash, rinse, and sanitize all other parts. When finished, place all parts on a clean surface to dry. Carefully unhook the drip tray and clean it by washing it in lukewarm water. Allow the tray to dry. Assemble the seal onto the unit and use a food-safe lubricant to lubricate the seal. Place the bowl gasket on the bowl. Insert the mixer and then rotate until the head hooks with the seal. Slide the bowl onto the unit and press downward until it clicks into place. Using the lubricant, lubricate the hooks and the joint. Lean the pin on its seat and push the lever until it is attached to the tap. Hook the drip tray back onto the machine. Before starting up the machine, you must first run a rinse cycle. Your machine is now ready for use. Some parts of your machine must be replaced by a specialized technician periodically or at least once a year. As a general note, you should not use the machine if one of its parts is defective or worn. Note that 3 and 12-month maintenance kits must be purchased to ensure the longevity of your machine. The shaft seal and bushing with O-ring set must be replaced every 3 months. The tap seal and bowl gasket must be replaced every 12 months. Each maintenance kit also includes a bottle of food-grade lubricant to keep parts operating efficiently.